How to order checks on Wells Fargo. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step on that, so let's just get started. If you guys are wondering how to order checks, for that you need to be enrolled online if you're trying to do it online. So for that you can head over to mobile and online banking of Wells Fargo. After that look out for sign in page, and then once you are on the sign in page, at the top right corner of your screen you can find a menu. You may just go ahead and tap on the menu, and here you will be finding an enroll option. Tap on it. And when you tap on enroll right beside the search, you will be taken to the page where you can start with the process of online banking. So you can head over and fill up these forms, continue the process. They will be asking you some information that you need to verify. Just go ahead and provide them the details and continue the process, and basically uh, create your online banking account and head over the process to order checks online. If another process you are looking for is by phone, you can call the Wells Fargo phone bank. So for that, there are different banks available of Wells Fargo. You can look out for your nearby branch, locate up their website number or their bank number, and once you find it, you can just go ahead and contact them using the phone number. If it is also available in the back of your card or from the website, you can just go ahead and look out for that number and call them. Listen to the automated prompts or speak with the customer service representative to order your checks. And you can locate a nearby Wells Fargo branch, ask a bank representative for help with ordering replacement checks, and make sure the correct checking accounts. You have multiple accounts, and they will also offer options to view and manage your accounts online, including check images and statements. In that way, you can follow up the process and order checks or even replacement checks on Wells Fargo. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.